Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be unboxing August's Model Box, and first of all I want to say a huge thank you to Model Box for sending me out for review. So without further ado, let's open up the box. So as we can see inside the box, we've got a Zing Industries booklet showing you all of their ranges and the models that are available. We've got ChillCon advertisement for ChillCon, which is really cool. We've got information on this month's model box, so it's showing you the miniatures that we get in the model box, which is really cool. And as we open the box, we can see here we've got ammunition and some scores and some really cool things that you can clip off this resin sprue and you can use on your bases, which is really cool. So nice decorative parts there. We also have some Haribos that I'm just going to hand over to my daughter. There you go, Savannah. Okay. We also get a really cool display base that you can put your miniatures on from MDP Model Display Products, which is cool. We get this month's exclusive miniature, which as you can see looks absolutely stunning. The detail on this resin mini is outstanding, and this is going to be really fun to paint. There's a little sprue to cut off on the bottom of the legs and one on the hand, but it looks like cleanup's going to be really easy to do on this miniature. Then we have some really chunky resin sandbag terrain pieces. Sorry for the noise in the background guys, do apologise for the barking. So sandbags which are going to be really cool for diorama bases and for your terrain pieces, so they're really cool. We get 2 paints of Cote d'Armes paints, and I believe, if I'm correct, Cote d'Armes paints were originally the producer of Games Workshop paints, which is really cool. So here we have Blood Red and Unbleached Wood, 2 really nice colours there. And last but not least, we have a Bunny Mimic metal miniature. If I hold it up the right way up, you'll be able to see it in the box there, which looks really cool. But the thing that I'm most looking forward to painting has to be this miniature, because of just the sheer detail on it, guys. It looks so cool. I think on the leaflet you can see what he looks like there. Really cool. So let me know what you think of this month's model box, guys. I'll put a link in the description box down below where you can actually sign up to Model Box if you're interested in the service. And thank you very much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.